everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cece and this is my fitness channel where I like to share my fitness journey with you guys and also emphasize individuality and promote the understanding that not everyone's journey is the same or even linear. So for more of that, be sure to subscribe. I unexpectedly hopped on the Vlogmas train. Honestly, I wasn't expecting to do that this year, but I had a spurt of inspiration to create some videos, so I don't have a definite schedule, but you can expect anywhere from 1 to 3 videos from me until the end of the year.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
We need a tree topper, but we have our tree up already. Some of our decor, beautiful full fruit basket, which I filled up yesterday from the groceries. I have my Christmas pajamas on, but now I'm just going to fix some water. It's 6:48. And painted by yours truly, the leftover water bottle from yesterday. Also setting out the meat for our meatballs to make sure it's thawed, and when we get back from the gym we will throw these together to marinate until this evening. So we've got 80-20 pork, never any antibiotics or no added hormones, and then we also have some organic 18-15 grass-fed beef, and then we have 18-15 lean and brown lamb. I've been having these more often lately too, just occasionally to work on my immunity. We haven't made our shots for a while. These are also really good. Merry Fitmas, y'all, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 2. I'm so happy to have you guys here with me for Day 2 of Vlogmas. I've really been loving this Honor Active set. It is just such a flattering color. It is such a fall and even Christmassy color just because it's a tone of red. I definitely need more like Christmas workout gear, but I'm trying to be more conscious of my consumption of activewear.
My sister's pre-workout. She let me have a little scoopity doobity. So I'm doing like maybe half a scoop. My sister's BCAAs.
So good.
It's pretty good.
It's very good.
It's very sweet.
Okay.
Cool.
Mixes pretty well.
This one again. I like it.
I like to take this right before I like. Sorry. A kiwi pre-workout snack.
Golden.
No, these are not golden. These are green ones.
What?
Yeah, no, they're.
Alrighty gang, y'all know what it is. Getting it kicked off today with some full body on the Tone and Sculpt app. The first exercise were these sumo squat to sumo deadlift. You guys, this is one of my favorite glute exercises. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. I love it because it puts your hamstrings under constant tension, so you don't need a lot of weight to really feel this. The next exercise is another one of my favorites, Dumbbell Rows, and honestly I'm making these 40s look way too light in these clips. To be honest though, my muscles have been feeling a little extra fatigued and tired lately just from working, so I've been going lighter on the weight.
But first I tell them run it. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turn to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you.
Y'all know what? I was not expecting to like this exercise as much as I did. This is just a squat to shoulder press. I ended up going lighter on the weight because it was 4 sets of 15 reps, but honestly I did really like this exercise. I don't think I mentioned it, but a new gym actually has opened up about 3 minutes from my place now, which is really convenient because it's really exciting and it'll definitely make getting to the gym much easier. Plus, it'll save me on some gas. Really, y'all, I am not a full body person. I normally don't like full body workouts, but I really loved a lot of these exercises, including this deadlift to row. The barbells at my gym only go up to 60 pounds, and it honestly felt light, but this combo is definitely moving into my favorites category.
Tell them run it. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Nigeria, come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried.
I decided to end my workout with some stretching. I didn't even realize my new gym had a bar like this, but I love this for leg stretches. It's pretty easy for me to neglect my stretching or tell myself I don't have time to stretch, but in reality it's just so important, and honestly it does help me with recovery, so I'm happy to get some in whenever I can.
Back from the gym, gang. How was your workout?
I'm tired.
She's tired today, baby.
I'm tired.
We tired today. It's tired. We're about to get started on the meatballs. We have Parmesan cheese. I'm thinking it's going to be about half of a cup, you guys. We have a full white onion, one of the ones I got yesterday. Chopped up, diced it up. I probably diced up a little smaller, go through it a time or two because you want it to be small. Some cilantro. It's nice, adds a little fresh taste. And these are seasonings. We got salt, onion powder, Italian. We'll probably put like at least 2 to 3 tablespoons of Italian. I think 1 tablespoon per pound of meat is probably a good gauge. This is our garlic powder. We have more. We're definitely going to need to add more of that. We also have some oregano, so oregano, that's what the Brits say. So oregano, and then we also have some black pepper as well. So we're gonna throw this all in a bowl and get it mixed together, and then after we put it in the bowl and mix it together, I like to take a piece and cook it and then taste it to see if it needs anything before we ball them all up and cook them later. But yeah, go balls, go balls. We're ballsy here. Literally making the same smoothie from yesterday. So Christmas lights, because Mary Chrysler. You have to mix it well. It's a process. The really best way to do it is to use your hands. Me too. I mean, we always make really good meatballs, like honestly. If you guys watch my Tampa What I Eat, we made the meatballs there too. Okay, so this is 2 tablespoons of Italian. There's no way. Should I do 4?
Yeah, do 4.
So we're gonna do 4 tablespoons. 4 tablespoons of Italian, 2 tablespoons of garlic. Seems like a lot, but you guys, this is a lot of meat. And for it to be seasoned well completely throughout, it has to have a lot of seasoning. Oregano, I'm gonna do about half a tablespoon. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Pepper, maybe half a tablespoon. We added in 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan, the grated. We think the grated blends better versus the shredded. Yeah, it makes it doesn't make it stay together as well as the grated, and plus it just distributes better when it's grated. We added the rest of the onion. We added in 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire, and then we also added in the rest of the cilantro as well. So we're gonna give this a mix. So we're heating up our little patty right now. This isn't something you have to do, but when you're making this mini, I think it's better to like make sure they're all seasoned well before you portion them out. Also, you don't always have to add like eggs or breadcrumbs. We typically don't unless we feel like we need the binder, but normally the meat stays together very well if you're chopping up everything really small. When we were in Florida, the onions were a little bit too big, but they stayed together. But we did them smaller this time, and honestly, you guys, like, this is not breaking apart at all. But you can add eggs and breadcrumbs if you want. I know that's traditional. And also, like, you can cook these like 2 or 3 different ways. We're going to cook most of them in the oven for, you know, our future recipes, but tonight for the pasta, we're gonna cook them in a pan on the stove top, and then we're gonna add in the pasta sauce into the dish, because the oils and the fats and the flavors, like, that's the best part, and it makes the sauce taste better. All right, so cheers, Mike. There you go.
That's good.
I don't think they need anything. We perfection.
Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before. As they walk from house to house to wish us.
This is what our balls are looking like, y'all. We ballsy in this household. We cook, we do it right. So we're gonna let these marinate all day and then cook them tonight for dinner. It's 1 p.m. now, and I just started getting a little hungry. Sorry about the water on the lens. I'm going to have something to eat. What exactly? Not sure yet. Stay tuned. Beans of a sandwich.
And then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face. And later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before. As they walk from house to house.
This is what our meatballs look like after marinating all day. Yep, so I'm going to cook mine in this pan that's already nice and heated up. And we're going to put the rest on 375 for 15 to 18 minutes. Just so they don't stick to cook. And the rest of these are going to go in the oven. This is some bread my mom brought home from her trip. It was freshly baked this morning, but I'm going to warm it up in the oven so we can put butter and have this with our pasta as well. Got the noodles going. And our pasta stores. So this is what this looks like. This is what my salad looks like so far. So we heated these up and they're so good. I made some honey butter for Thanksgiving. It is dynamite. I love bread. A fact about me is I obsess with bread. With the honey butter, it's unmatched. for 18 minutes. They look delicious, all that good fat and stuff. Now let's dump these noodles. All right, they're perfect now. I have even started my lunch prep for tomorrow. So I have some lettuce under here. I put a piece of paper towel in between because the lettuce was already getting wet. And then I have my toppings on top. And I'm having it with this sparkling soda. IG. Baby. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up because that supports me and my channel, which I'm so appreciative of. And of course, subscribe for more me, more inspiration, and drop a comment below just to let me know you stopped by. Merry Fitmas, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So freaking good.